It looks a little bit more lively, lived in. I cannot wait till this wig gets stiff. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Now today's video is brought to you by me by way of 2 years ago. I have had this wig on my shelf for 2 years, and thanks to y'all, I remembered that I had her. So here we go. Before we get into that, just know that it is Sip and Slay. What I got today. I mean, I do have my wine right there, but I don't got a cup. So I guess it's, you know, water today. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so today we are taking it way back to Sensationnel GIGI, the full cap, instant fashion wig, sensational style in 60 seconds. Please understand, the way this looks on her head will probably not look like this on me. I'm gonna have to do some things to get my wig together. This wig is like 5-6 years old. It's an old baddie, and it's about 2 years old for me. I purchased this unit 2 years ago, and I asked y'all, should I review this one or another one? Look the post. 2 years ago, okay, I asked y'all about this wig, and I never did it. So somebody actually reminded me, I can't find her comment, but she did ask me about the GIGI wig. She remembered from 2 years ago. So whoever you are, thank you. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try her today. I did see my girl Kat, aka Beauty with Kat. She reviewed this wig a couple months ago, and I think she had it in the natural color, and I feel like she had it in like a blonde color too. Maybe, I don't know. But I did buy it in the blonde color. Let me show y'all that color. I probably won't review that today, but you know, that's what that is. That's real. That's real bright. SM613/30/4. It has like an ombre effect. I mean, I might put it on. I don't know.
Hell no.
So, you know, there's that. I'm going for a very like bohemian-esque for today's football game because it's raining outside and I ain't trying to do no human hair wig. I need synthetic to make sure my curls are gonna stay full cap. I mean, there's no parting space in the wig. There's no lace. You just put it on your head and go. It has like a half and half, like a half silky, half texture. The more you fluff her out, she will frizz based on that texture, but I do feel it will look a little bit more natural the more you fluff her out. She does have some teased hair around the front, these little pieces in there to give you a little bit more lift and to help with your teasing if you decide to do that. You get 2 combs on the side, and then around the back it has the adjustable straps and the comb in the back. I mean, I could wear a wig grip if I wanted to, but I'm not because I feel like it'll fit pretty decent. Yeah, it's already tight, so let me, hold up. Let me take off these straps in the back. Give me a little stretching. There we go. Bring it up and over. Ooh, it's giving okay, we're gonna work it. Gonna get it together. None of my hair is gonna be out unless I push it back, way back. We're gonna shape her though. Hold up, what I'm gonna do, because I don't want that on my forehead, to put my wig cap right down. This girl did this wig on TikTok and SZA saw it, and SZA was wearing this wig out, y'all, on tour. I'm just saying, I need some big earrings. We need to open this up a little bit because I feel real
swallowed up. Have you ever been swallowed up?
I feel real claustrophobic right in here. I need to open this up. I'm going to first take my comb and I'm gonna tease up at the root this hair so I can see the shape that I want to work with. Take my comb and I'll back comb it like that. Make sure I get my bang as well. Okay, comb it down. Y'all see how it's shaping out already? Again, the messier this hair looks, the better, because you don't want it to look, you know, too synthetic, you know what I'm saying? Comb it down, comb it down. I don't want to cut anything yet, and it's better to use a rat tail comb or, you know, a small comb just to make sure you are getting as close as you can get to the root for the teasing. Ooh, that's a lot of hair, child. Now this hair is going to be for the big hair girls. If you don't like big hair, then this is not going to be for you. Make sure my bang is where I need her to be. I'm going to keep teasing my bang a little bit. I want to make sure it's lifted. Make sure I get up in here. See how long this is? I do want to cut this right here. Give me a little bit more shape. Same thing over here. Curl just bounces right back. See how I open my face up a little bit more? That's what I want. Let me take out some of the bang. This one is too long, take that out. Right here. I want the shape to kind of come down. You can see them sticking out in the back. All right, let me go ahead and do my makeup and then we'll come back, finish up the look and see what we got. Change out my glasses. I think I want some big frames today. Hold up, let me make sure. Don't want my bang to be higher. Take a bobby pin, kind of hold it down like this and then pin it back up. Almost like a flip situation. See if it'll work. Gave it a little bit more height. Should I do hoops? Maybe a mini hoop or a medium hoop? Like some chunky studs is kind of what I was thinking. Maybe it's the glasses. Let me try my granddaddy glasses. I mean, those are cute too. I also have these square looking ones. These look better with the other outfit that I was gonna wear. I kind of like these ones. I think the pearl hoop looks a little better. Is that too much with the glasses and the earrings? I think these work for the look. I could cut this a little bit more right here. Let me get this right here. When you pull it out, you'll see. Like y'all see how it kind of stays out? We don't want that. Okay, y'all, so here is Gigi. Did I get her together? Again, she real big in here, but I'm not mad at her. But y'all tell me, do you have this wig? If you do, have you tried it yet? If you've tried it, do you like it? Do you not like it? Let me know what you think about it. And this one is not super expensive. I think this wig is, let me see. And I purchased mine from Amazon and mine's were, I think like $25. Do what you will with the information. A little effort goes a long way. The more you wear her, the more frizzier and bigger she'll get and stiffer. And honestly, when wigs like this get stiff, they look better for the curl. It helps with the shaping of the wig. I'm going back and forth between these glasses. I don't know which ones are better. I don't know, y'all tell me. Y'all see how the hair is kind of, because I teased it up, it looks a little bit more lively, lived in. I cannot wait till this wig gets stiff. Y'all, the glasses, I don't understand. I didn't put no contour on my neck. Ooh, hello weight loss. But the game is about to start, so let me go ahead and get up out of here. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.